butterflies, frogs, caterpillars, damselflies, beetles. These are just some of the fascinating animals you can see on a tour with Aussie Macro Photos. Hi, I'm Bridget and I'd like to invite you on an exciting walk through the Cairns Botanic Gardens to explore life in the undergrowth. Over the past few years, I have spent many hours in the gardens learning where to find all these incredible creatures that often go unnoticed. You will be amazed at the vibrant colours and weird formations of this tiny world. Such strange and alien creatures like orange tortoise beetles, plant hoppers, damselflies. There's a whole new world waiting to be discovered. Whether you're already a seasoned macro photographer who wants to get that incredible shot, or someone who is just starting their macro photography journey, or perhaps you're just curious. It doesn't really matter, it's just a chance to explore our beautiful gardens and the opportunity to discover some of the world's most interesting creatures. Who knows, maybe you'll come away with some awesome photos to show your friends. And if you're interested in learning more about animals or photography, but just not sure how to start, then this is the tour for you. During the wet season, we also add in the amazing fungi that grows so abundantly in the tropics. So come on guys, let's go buggin'!
So the best thing about the tour was actually, normally I look out for the plants and flowers, but I really enjoyed just getting more into the detail and like really looking under leaves, and yeah, I really just enjoyed.
Oh, it was just so rich. I saw big bugs, small bugs, bugs with legs, bugs with wings, bugs without legs and bugs without wings.
Seeing all the different animals, there's so much colour in the natural world that you don't really see. You might have walked around this park many times if you're a local and you'll still see something new. Bridget can show you all these different animals, all these things maybe you didn't even know existed.
Absolutely getting into the detail and discovering and exploring new wildlife in a place like this, which I normally would completely walk past.
I think this tour fits for everybody who has like little experience with photography, but also who's more advanced. I think you can bring any kind of equipment as well. I think it's just actually as well nice to just come along and see the bugs and get more information about them.
My favourite one that I saw was probably the Mopsis woman. It was this green punkish spider, and like, yeah, I thought it was really cool with its sideburns and mohawk. Yeah.
I think I like the plant hopper. It's so tiny and then it's so cute. So when I'm taking the photo, I have to keep moving around my camera a little bit and get focused on and then I think it's really interesting and it just stays still. And I got a few shots for that. I really like it, really happy for that.
I'm a local and I don't really, I've been to the botanical gardens, but yeah, it's just stopping and seeing those smaller things that you don't normally stop to see every day. Yeah, it's really cool.
Let's go buggin'!
Let's go buggin'! Let's go buggin'!